Welcome to Famity. Today we will talk about our Facebook review service. Since Facebook has become one of the most popular social media platforms, it has taken the attention of business companies. It has been essential to be on Facebook because of the potential that millions of users bring. That is why we see many brands on Facebook. Many companies moved their business to Facebook because they can reach their potential clients easily. If you run a business, you can also move your business, promote your products or services, and start to earn. But creating a Facebook page is not enough. Therefore, it is crucial that you buy Facebook reviews as organic reviews from trustful sources. Our review service is the best in the industry and 100% legal. Therefore, don't even worry about it. Your page reviews will be legendary. Grow your target audience instantly. When you decide to buy Facebook reviews, your page will reach more people, and its average rating numbers will improve. Customers seek quality content and quality recommendations for buying stuff online. You can follow these steps to buy Facebook reviews. As Famity.com website, we always offer our customers two different options: regular and real. Select the category. Enter the address of your page. Specify the number of reviews you want to buy. You can use bank cards, MasterCard and Visa, PayPal, iTunes, cryptocurrency, Apple Pay to pay. You can buy a minimum of 10, maximum of 1,000 reviews. You need to make different purchases for each Facebook page. All points come from different users. Their location is complicated. It can be a Facebook user anywhere in the world. Start shopping with Famity, your 24/7 partner. Thank you so much for watching.